Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how to increase Telegram download speed. So let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on data and storage. Next, tap on using cellular and make sure the data usage is set to high for the highest download speed when using mobile data. Now do the same thing for Wi-Fi. Tap on using Wi-Fi and ensure the setting is set to high. After you do that, go back and scroll down to find the power saving option. Make sure to turn this off. That's all you have to do to increase the download speed on Telegram. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.